Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Delicious chili paneer. Crispy, soft, spicy, tangy, and packed with flavor. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chili paneer. This popular Indo-Chinese favorite combines crispy paneer with crunchy capsicum, onions, chillies, and a delicious sauce. Best of all, it's easy to make at home with simple everyday ingredients and perfectly suited to Indian taste buds. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chili paneer. Step 1. Preparing the paneer. We have taken 200 grams of paneer, also known as Indian cottage cheese. Cut the paneer into medium-sized cubes the way I have done. Place the paneer cubes in a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Keep 3 tablespoons of corn flour ready to add in batches. Shake the bowl like I have done. This will help the paneer pieces get marinated nicely and evenly. Now add some corn flour. Shake the bowl again so that the corn flour coats the paneer properly. Again add some more corn flour. Add all the remaining corn flour. Mix everything properly.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Ensure all the paneer pieces are coated well with the corn flour. Marinated paneer is ready. Cover and keep it aside for at least half an hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1 medium-sized capsicum. Cut it into cubes. 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them into cubes. 4 medium-sized green chillies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them, the way I have shown. Quarter-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 10 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Take the green part of the spring onions and cut it very fine. Half teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Take 1 stock cube in a small bowl. Add half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Mix it nicely, or you can use half cup of vegetable stock. To make corn flour slurry, take 2 teaspoons of corn flour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it nicely. Corn flour slurry is ready. Step 3. Deep frying the paneer. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, add the paneer pieces. Ensure all the paneer pieces are touching the bottom of the pan and not placed on top of each other. Cook the paneer for around 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until it becomes light golden brown. Once the paneer has cooked one side, turn the paneer pieces to cook the other sides. To learn how to make Chinese 5-spice powder, refer to our recipe, the link for which is given in the description box, or just comment Chinese 5-spice powder and we will send you the recipe link. Once the paneer is cooked, remove the pieces and keep them aside. Paneer is ready for preparing chili paneer. Step 4. Preparing the chili paneer. Place a wok or kadai on medium-high heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onion cubes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the garlic pieces. Stir everything nicely. After around a minute, add the ginger pieces. Also add the green chillies. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After around a minute, add the capsicum cubes. Add little water to prevent anything from sticking to the pan. After around a minute, add the Chinese 5-spice powder. Add the salt. Add the sugar. Add the soya sauce. Stir everything nicely. After around a minute or two, add the stock cube mixture. Add the vinegar. Mix everything nicely. After around a minute, add the corn flour slurry. Mix everything properly. We added 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to make the gravy less thicker. Check for taste and add whatever is required. We added half teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix everything properly. Once the sauce has got a nice boil, add the fried paneer. Mix everything gently. Check for taste and add whatever is required. Add the finely cut spring onion greens. Mix everything nicely. Once done, put the heat off. Serve the chili paneer hot with fried rice or noodles. You can also enjoy the chili paneer on its own as a starter. Delicious chili paneer is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.